In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to add another Facebook account in your Facebook app. So let's get started. The first thing is that you simply need to click on your menu button down here. Once you're there, you scroll down, you click on log out. So you simply need to log out of this Facebook account. Click on log out. So guys, after that, simply click on if you want to add another Facebook account to this Facebook account, that is to this Facebook app, you simply need to click on use another profile. So from here now, you simply need to insert the Facebook account, either the telephone number or email address and the password. So I simply need to insert the email address. So after that, the password. So after inserting the email address and the password, click on log in. So guys, that is actually the way you add another Facebook account on your Facebook app. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.